So hello all, now in this video let's start with statistics. Very easy chapter of class 9th. So statistics, in this first we should know what is data. So data, raw facts, we call raw facts as data, right? Raw facts means normal facts we are getting. So that we are going to say that it will be data, right? So next, how many types of data? Data means whatever like unprocessed information we call, like unprocessed facts, right? Unarranged facts. We arrange data in a meaningful way in order to get information, right? So data and information are two different things. Information is processed data through which some meaning can be determined. So data is of two types. Data is of two types: primary data and secondary data, right? Primary data and secondary data. So primary data means when the information was collected by the source himself or herself, that data obtained is called primary data. Like I am saying something directly to you, so this information is provided to you directly from me. So this is primary data. Secondary data means if I tell someone something else and that person conveys my message, like the news which we get from newspaper is of secondary data, magazine secondary data, direct live telecast interview if we are getting, that is primary data because we are receiving it from primary source, right? So let's come to exercise 14.2 directly without wasting much time. The blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Question number first. So some blood group, so we have to draw frequency distribution table for it, right? So frequency distribution table we have to draw, right? So using pencil and scale you can go for it. So 3 columns I have prepared. This is blood group, tally mark, and this is frequency, right? Frequency means how many number of people having the same blood group. So let's take first blood group A, then B, then AB, and then O. So A, how many A are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 A are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write down 9. Is that clear? Directly, just simply you have to count. Next is B. How many B's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 B's are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and 6th. So tally marks you all know, in 8th standard we did 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th one is striked, you know, in some diagonally. It is striked diagonally and then 6th. So 6. AB is how much? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3. O is how much? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 O. So total, make a column at last of total. So total are of 12 plus 3, 15, 15 and 6, 21 and 9, 30. So that means our question is correct. If we are getting correct answer, that means our question is correct, right? Next, if we are getting total sum equal to frequency, that means our question is correct. Next, let's move on to next question. Question number second. So in question number second, it is given that the distance of 40 engineers from their residences to their place of work were found as follows, and this is the distance. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table of class size 5. So class size we have to take 5, in which 5 is not included, 0 to 5 in which 5 is not included. So let's draw it. So here I have prepared 3 columns: class interval, telemarks and frequency, right? So class interval beginning from 0 to 5, then 5 to 10, then 10 to 15, then 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. That's it, right? So let's go for it. Now 0 to 5. Now count the number of engineers having distance in between 0 to 5 kilometer, in which 5 is not included, right? We should not include 5. So let's count from the textbook. If you have pencil, you can make one strike over it using pencil in the question in the notebook, like as I show you. Like 0 to 5 we have to count. So 3, just make a strike over it so that there will be no correction later on, like no confusion later on. So 1, and then we have this 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then we have 5, right? So total we have 5, right? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 5. 5 to 10, similarly if we count, so it will be 5 to 10 we'll have 11, I guess 11, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So 11. 10 to 15, 15 should not be included in 10 to 15. It should be included in 15 to 20 only. So 10 to 15, how many people, how many engineers do we have having distance between 10 to 15? So let's count. So it will be 11 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 15 to 20, 15 to 20, let's count. 15 to 20 we have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. 20 to 25 we have 1. So let's take 1. And then 25 to 30, again 1. So 1. 30 to 35 we have 2. So 2. So let's see total, if total is correct or not. 2, 3, 4, 4 and 9, 13, 13 and 22, 35 and 5, 40. So 40, that means total frequency is given in the question, it is 40 engineers. This means it is correct, right? Also the question is asking, what main features do you observe from this tabular representation? So from this tabular representation we observe that very few engineers come from distance range. Very few engineers come from distance 15 to 20 kilometer and sorry, not 15 to 20 to 25 kilometer, 20 to 25 kilometer and 25 to 30 kilometer, and maximum number of engineers come from 5 to 10 and 10 to 15 kilometer range, right? Now next we have question number 3rd. So in question number 3rd, I have taken relative humidity in percent ranging from 84 to 86, 86 to 88, 88 to 90 and so on, and the telemarks we have to determine. So as we can see from the question, so relative frequency from 84 to 86 we will have 1. So telemark will be 1, frequency is 1. 86 to 88 also we have 1, so 1. 88 to 90 we have 2, so 2. 90 to 92 we have 2, so again 2. 92 to 94 we have just count, so 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 7, right? And 94 to 96 we have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 96 to 98 we have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, right? 98 to 100 we have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4. Now total when you will do, it will be 30, so that is correct, right? This is our answer. So just try to do these questions yourself. So answer of second question, the second part is, which month or season do you think this data is about? Now maximum humidity we have during monsoon season, so that is rainy season. So answer is rainy season, or month of July, June, July, right? Next part, what is the range of this data? Now range is equal to minimum frequency minus, maximum value minus minimum value. So range is always equal to maximum value minus minimum value, right? So maximum value we have how much? 99.2. minimum value we have 84.9, so which is equal to 14.3. so range of this data is 14.3, right? Now next is question number 7. So in question number 7, it is given that the value of pi is given up to 50 decimal places. So we have to draw a frequency distribution table of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. So don't count 3, right, because 3 is before the decimal point. So I have drawn 3 columns, digits 0 to 9, right? So 0, how many zeros we have? Just count. So it will be 2. So 1, 2, 2. How many 1? Just count. It will be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. How many 2? So again it will be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 3, just count. So it will be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, right? 4, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. 5, we have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is 5 number of times. 6 is 4 number of times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 7 is, just count. It is 4 number of times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 8 is 5 number of times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 9 is, just count the number of times 9 is occurring. So it will be 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Now total. So when you will add the values, it will be 50, right? So total is 50. Now the question is asking, what are the most and the least frequently occurring digits? So most frequently occurring digit is 8 number of times, it is 3 and 9, right? So most frequently 3 and 9. Least frequently, so least frequently we have 2. So 2 is 0. So least frequently we have 0. This is our answer, 3 and 9 and 0. So in this way you have to draw the frequency distribution table. So try the remaining parts yourself. If you face any doubt, just let me know. So thank you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.